Ward 3.
Kiyogi Girls Startler Novice. Tumusmo Catenero 45ers Gold. Rico Ana Titan Silver. Gregea Angela 45ers Bronze. Ompong Gian Jaguars Bronze. Please claim your medal.
Jamil.
Wala si Ompong Jillian Jaguars.
Kyorogi. Female Cadet Novice. Lira Corta, Princess Bethany, and Laguno Luina Egon. Please don't table support to right now. Asa naman eh si Ipin
45ers.
o si Abelito?
Rico Hana. Ano si Rico Hana Titans?
Lira Corta, Princess Bethany, from and Laguno Luina Egon from him. Please don't table support to right now. Thank you. Kyorogi. Female Junior Novice. Blue Armor. Bihong CDB Sakitmaan from Manpu versus Manjagin Jihan from PG Tickets. Please proceed to the court too right now.
Kiyogi Female Cadet Novice. And Dalestia Place Barili. Gold. Martonia Mary Claire Anbo Silver. Minoy Christine and 45ers
Paging Coach at Gold. Court 3.
Bronze.
AJ Jason Angona, Red Armor versus Barcayo Tristan Rafael, Blue Armor. Please proceed to Court 4. Please prepare for finals. Kyorogi Female Cadet Intervention, Pasay Audrey Fatima, Olanco Red Armor versus Dore Greata, Zane D of Panthers Blue Armor. Please proceed here at Court 3.
Asa man si Tia Place Barili? Barili. Gold.
Order sa Court 4. Please prepare Pugoy Mark courtesy of KJ DVD. Please prepare Pugoy Mark courtesy of KJ DVD. Prepare and proceed to board number 1.
Kiyogi Female Cadet Novice. Marian Kizia Jaguars Jaguars, gold. Salay LG, Paril, silver. Claim your medal. Wala taga Jaguars. Teles. Okay, umana. Ako na eh. Yes, ba? Asa man si Salar. Barili, Salar.
Second goal for finals, Cherokee Female Cadet Intermediate, Pasay Audrey Fatima of Anbu, Red Armor, versus Dore Brianna Zane D of Panthers, Blue Armor. Please proceed here at North 3.
Cherokee Male Cadet Novice, Villafuerte Dave, gold. Barili, Baliting Miguelito, Sipsilians. Claim your medal. Wala si Dave Villafuerte. Gold. Baliting Miguelito. Wala.
Villafuerte, Princess Bethany, Blue Armor. Please proceed to the Fort 2 right now.
Colin Pintos Navarro of Jaguar,
Miguelito. Baliting Sipsilians.
Colin Pintos Navarro of Jaguars
Now.
versus Reynalyn Suson of 45ers. Please proceed to board 4.
John Ross Narvasa, gold. Ivan Chris Delicano, silver. Please proceed to the podium. John Ross Narvasa o Ivan Chris Delicano.
Last call for finals. Cherokee Female Cadet Intermediate. Pasay Audrey Fatima of Anbu, Red Armor, versus Dore Brianna Zane D of Panthers, Blue Armor. Please proceed here